Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today is a quick recipe. I'm going to show you how I make my very tasty peppered chicken drumstick. So if you are interested, then let's get started. So for this recipe you need chicken, and I'm using chicken drumstick, but you can go for the wings, for the thigh, for the whole chicken if you like. I'm going to use 1 onion. I have got 2 scotch bonnet peppers. I've got some green onion, 3 garlic cloves, and about 70 grams of ginger. I'm going to use some chicken stock. I have got some salt. I got garlic granules. I've got ground white pepper. I've got chicken seasoning and some complete seasoning that I got from Amazon. I am also going to use a bit of vegetable oil for this recipe. So let's get started. This is very easy. As I said, we need to blend everything. So I am going to put everything in my blender. So easy. If you want to increase the amount of pepper, please go ahead. I'm using 2 this time. And by the way, I have got about 15 pieces of chicken drumsticks, just so that you know. Alright, now I'm going to add half a cup of vegetable oil. You can replace it with water. It is much healthier, okay? But for the taste, I prefer to use oil, and you can use olive oil or any type you like. Now we are going to blend it until smooth, so for about maybe a minute. And then we are going to pour this mixture over our chicken drumstick, and make sure you've washed your chicken first, okay? And this pepper mixture is enough for the 15 pieces of chicken drumstick I told you about. All right, so now I'm just going to spread it over my chicken. So for the seasoning, I am now going to add 1 tablespoon of salt, and then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of white pepper. You can use black pepper if you prefer. And then I'm gonna add about half a tablespoon of badilla complete seasoning, and I said I got it from Amazon. It is very nice, especially with chicken. And then I am going to add half a tablespoon of garlic granules, or even garlic powder, whichever you have. And then half a tablespoon of chicken seasoning. And last but not least, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chicken flavor stock. So basically, this is all you need for this recipe, unless you want to add more seasoning to it. So now, with your clean hands, mix the pepper with the chicken drumstick. And this is it. Now it is ready. So at this stage, if you want to cover it and keep it in the fridge, you can for at least 2 hours. But if you are in a hurry like me, you can put it in the oven right away. So I have also preheated my oven at 160 degrees Celsius. So now I'm going to place my chicken drumstick on my baking tray, and then I'm going to add a bit more pepper on it, you know, for the taste. And I'll still have more pepper for later on. Okay, so this is it. Now my chicken is ready, and it's going in the oven for 30 minutes to begin with. Okay, all right, so this is my oven here, and I have put my baking tray in the middle rack, just to let you know. And this is it now. This is after 30 minutes in the oven, and it is already smelling so good in my kitchen. So now the next step is also very easy. I'm just going to turn my chicken drumstick over, just to make sure everything is evenly baked. So this is the reason I am doing that. Okay, my dear friends, so now I'm going to top it up with more pepper, and you should do that, okay? It is very important, and your chicken will be so flavorful. All right, so now I am going to pop it back in my oven in the middle rack as usual for another 30 to 45 minutes. And this is it, my dear friends. Look at this chicken drumstick. It's just awesome, and it smells so good in the kitchen, guys. You really need to try this. You know, if you try this recipe, you will never bake chicken in the oven in a different way. You will always use this recipe, trust me. And here I'm just going to show you a closer look of my peppered chicken drumstick, you know, just to make you salivate kakra. All right, friends, so this was my recipe. It is a very easy one that you should try. Really, you should really try it. You are going to love it. It's not a joke. So thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. You can also share my videos if you care. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will be very happy, and I'll see you next time. Take care of yourself, and God bless you all. Bye bye.